Good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself in your family. I hope that you're doing well while watching my video. My name is Mary Chris Gabasa. I am 30 years old, college undergraduate in St. Therese MTC Colleges with a course of Associate Shipboard Services. I am single, no children. I am the fourth child among 10 siblings. I have work experience in Singapore and Saudi Arabia. In Singapore, there were 3 family members, 2 adults, 1 child. While in Saudi Arabia, there were 3 family members, 2 adults, 1 child. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, babysitting, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing.
So how many helpers in your Singapore's employer's house?
Only 1.
How about in Saudi Arabia?
Only 1.
Do you have experience in taking care of the newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
By
changing diapers, feeding them, making milk.
How about children? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the child are naughty? What are you going to do?
I will be patient and treat them as my own child.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am.
By
reading books, singing lullabies, and storytelling.
Are you willing to take care of an invalid or elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if you will feel homesick? What are you going to do?
If I feel homesick, I will keep myself busy to do some household chores and will play with the children.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will still polite and follow the rules and instructions.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will remain calm and say sorry if I did mistake and say that I will not do it again.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
I don't mind. It depends on my employer's schedule.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of its safe country and it pay high salary.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Can you give us a nursery song?
Sure.
Go ahead.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
So what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I know it's for you to select a helper. I am here applying and hoping that you will hire me. If you hire me, I will do my very best to do my task and your house rules regulations. I promise that I will treat your family as my family too. And I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract and willing to renew if you want to. Thank you so much and hoping to see you soon.